So we also make sure that there are supervisors who are trained to do support like counseling, coaching. You know, Paul, how the line when it comes to Filipino workforce, right? One time you're doing performance coaching, slowly it becomes a counseling session, right? So immediately you should train your leaders to be able to do both, right? You can't say as a leader, for example, you can say, don't cry. This is a performance coaching. I am not ready to do counseling, right? So really being able to handle both coaching and counseling is very important so that leaders can help their people perform. And so when people are performing well, when they are equipped, when they are trained, so problems in the higher level, those that are cascaded or those that are elevated would be lessened.